Good morning, children. Now we are going to discuss about the third unit of the 10th class, the journey. Generally, you people are staying with your parents, right? But now the generation that most of the children they are disobedient to their parents. Reasons a lot. In that major reason that parents they give extra love to their children. It's correct. The reason now the parents feeling that children are the property for them. As really children only the property for the parents now, because whichever the dreams the parent he unable to fulfill, there is a choice to the parent to fulfill that dreams in his child. It's a fact. Here also, why I am saying this all the story means here we are going to discuss about one of the child. Actually, it's grown up. Once we discuss when we discuss about this Nick at the time I said biography, autobiography. Biography means and I will do it also. Narayana Murthy's that lesson also we discuss it. Biography means one person he will write other person's story. Means one person's story, another person he will write. Narayana Murthy's story, his wife Sudha Murthy she wrote. Autobiography, my story myself I want to write. It is autobiography. If we go to next lesson, some of the passages that will show us that it is a biography. One example, when he wanted to marry his friend and publicist, he said, Steve Appel, he said about his marriage. If we read that passage, it is a biography because he wrote about him. But most of the part, it is autobiography. Generally, it is extracted from the internet at lesson totally. But when he asked in the examination what kind of narration it is, means we have to write autobiography. That's in the first lesson. And if we come to the next I will do it, that is biography because it was written by Sudha Murthy. And remaining you know, that is Dear Deported 1, Dear Deported 2. There are plays. One more is there in the second unit. Every success story is a story of a great failure. You know that? That is a description about one topic. They explain it a lot. If we come for the Brave Butcher, it's a story, narration. Because it is a story, imaginary story that is. It's a narration. Now we are going to read another autobiography. A maximum it is autobiography because when we will read the lesson in the textbook, we will feel that it is maybe the writer about himself he wrote. Because the writer, he belongs to one of the terrain, Arunachal Pradesh. He belongs to and he is an IAS officer also and he worked so many white collar jobs. So maybe he wrote about himself and it's an autobiography. Here, there is a connection between the father and the son. Most of the houses we can observe and we will feel. You are the children. You know very clearly. Girl child, compulsory and maximum 99% she will means attracted by the father. Means she loved more by the father than the mother. And when the boy child is there, he must be loved by the mother more than that father. But it is not more than. Both the mother and father will love equally. But the child connected to the mother, boy child will connect to the mother more and girl child will connect to the father more. This children's connection is like that. But parents love, there is no difference. They will love equally. So that the parent, because of that we should want to respect our parent. Whenever we have a choice to help them, you have to help them. Now it is a time you are staying in the house. It is good opportunity to God gave one of the gift time to you to help your mother. I hope you are helping to your mother in your house. But don't make trouble to your parents. This is the Corona time and you got more holidays. Don't irritate them. It's better choice than the helping. Okay. Now we are entering into the lesson. The journey is a lesson. Here, one boy, means actually a man. He came from some of the town. Okay, now there is no school to us. We are very eagerly waiting that when the school will reopen, when we want to go to school because we fed off by staying in the houses. But when the school is running regularly, at the time when the Sunday will come, we are eagerly waiting for that Sunday. Oh, today Monday, again 5 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. When it comes to Thursday, 2 days are there, 5 days Saturday, Sunday will come. When it is Saturday, tomorrow is holiday. We will wait because that 5 days, 6 days we will work and one day will come to take the rest. That is our feeling when we are coming to the regular school. And when the Sunday will come, total Sunday we will enjoy. When again it's going to night, the tension will start. Next day morning again want to wake up, again want to go to school. If any band, on Monday if any band, then school will close. That we will wait. Means we are addicted to that leisurely and laziness. In that leisurely time, we felt laziness. So we will feel in that way. Here, one person is there. He came from his workplace and he stayed in his village 6 months. One day if we feel like that, 6 months. Now our feeling also same. 6 months we stayed, but we are feeling that when the school will open, that is our feeling. But if the school open tomorrow itself, again we will feel in the inside. Why the school again they open? Again 2 days holidays will come, this is better. That should be our feeling. But here also the same. This man, he felt in the same way. 6 months he stayed in the house. Still, he extended his leave. The reason behind of that leave, he newly married. Actually, he belongs to a terrain, means hilly stations. There was no motorable roads, no bus, nothing. They has to walk. We are very, actually, we want to feel very sad as Indians that still in this country, some of the villages, not a lot of villages are without the bus facility. So many governments are changing, but we are actually we are responsible that we people are selecting the government, which what the government is electing, that government they are feeling means their intention only one that how I can again win in these elections. Whatever the works are important to me to win in next elections and how I can earn the money in this political. That only the thought of the leaders now. But still, I think last year one of the newspaper it published that few of the villages even they didn't have any electricity till today. So how sad it is. I recently yesterday that means starving people list we are in 94th position. Even our neighboring countries are in better position, but we are the rich people. Rich country it is. If you see the top 10 rich peoples in that Indians are there. But at the same time, poverty, top 10 in the poverty, Indians also there. We are that side and we are this side. We want to think about it. It's your country and now you are the next coming generation. It's your responsibility that how my India is. Okay, that is another topic. Here we are going to discuss about this person and he took 6 months of leave and he newly married and he is not interested to go to office but it's his duty now because already he borrowed lot of amount and he took already unpaid leaves. Now it should and must him to join into the office to get the salary. Because of that, he get ready and you know already because he want to walk some kilometers when he want to reach the village. Because of that, they will carry a less luggage, only one trunk. Trunk means one of the suitcase, but it is made of iron. It's not a suitcase. Trunk box we will call. Olden days the people they used it. And still today, whoever will stay in the hostels, that people they will carry the trunk. So only the trunk, and they never means carry their beds and that they won't carry. Only their wearing clothes they will carry because heavy load it's very difficult for them to carry. When he reached to the village at that time, some of the porter is there. That porter helped him to carry his trunk. But now he is going to return. And this time it's the monsoon season. All the villagers are very busy in their field works. No villager is ready to help him. And he is a white collar job holder. And he is not interested to carry any luggage. It belongs to you also. It applicable to you also. See, whenever you go, means you and your mother, if you went to the market, when your mother said to you to carry one of the bag, you are feeling that, oh, if my friends will see what they will feel. No ma, I won't carry the bag. Because if anyone, my friends or my teachers will see what they will feel, that thought will rise into our mind. It's the fact that, but no one feel anything. It's our duty. We have to help our parent. We want to help. Here the same feeling this person will have. I am a white collar job holder. If I carry my luggage, my trunk, then what the villagers will feel. That's a thought. Really, village people are very innocent. If we go to the village, then they affectionately will ask, how are you? What are you doing? Where are you living? How your children? How your wife? So many questions will come from them. And they will show so much of affection where that affection are there in these towns and in these cities. Okay, so here he is feeling that what my village people will think. And but there is no other opportunity and it is only 20 kgs of luggage. It's easy to him to carry as a youngster. At 25 years old, 25 to 26 years old boy, old man he is, means young man he is, and he can carry that 20 kgs of chest is easily. But only the thought that I am a government official, why I want to carry? If I carry, what the villagers will think. Only this thought it made him that means he avoided that physical labor. Carrying the trunk, he avoided. Finally, father is there. Any trouble if a child will get, immediately back their parents are there. They're ready to help. When? Because they never want to see their child in troubles. Yet the same father is an old, 60 years old man. Father, immediately he came forward. He said, don't worry, I am there. I can help you. I can carry your chest of drabble. He said. Sorry, just trunk box it is. Chest of drabble is again another one. Yeah, I can carry your trunk, he said. But as a young person, he is not interested to allow his father to carry the trunk. Because again another thought is that if I allow my father to carry the trunk, then what the villagers will think. This fellow is very young, but he is allowing his father to carry the trunk. How foolish he is, maybe they will think. But already father knows the trouble of that son. So as a father, he himself convinced the son, and son failed to convince the father not to carry the trunk. Then father started to carry the trunk. Father started. Morning 10 o'clock father started, and all the villagers they came to his house to give send off to this man, and all they are giving the send off, and he started after half an hour. After father started, and after half an hour this son he started. strong people and city people. They are very strong because of we people are lazy that we even whenever beside the shop is there, you are preferring to go on bike. But in the villages, every day, early in the morning, they will wake up at 5 o'clock and they will walk to the field. That the strength it will give to them, which we are losing that. So here, this father, he walked very fast. Within half an hour, he walked some miles. So to reach that father, to catch that father, this youngster, he has to run. He ran very fastly to catch his father. After some miles, he caught his father, means he reached his father. At the time, father saw the face of son and he smiled. Oh, this little distance, it made you tight? He laughed. And if you want to take the rest, please take some time rest. But be early because we want to reach before the time. Direct. Direct, they want to reach. Direct is a place where they want to catch the bus. So, we want to be early. Then they sat on both rocks. On the roadside, rocks are there, on that side. Then father, he saw towards the sun and, sun in the sky, like that. Towards the sun and he asked, I am getting thirsty. Give me some palm wine. Homemade wine is there. So that homemade wine is in a can and the can was carried by the son and big trunk was carried by the father. The small trunk, that small can he gave to the father. Father opened that and one mug full of wine he took and he drank it and he closed that can and gave to son again back. Again the journey started. Both are walking simultaneously. Father is the front, son is the back. But they are walking like strangers. How we will walk with a stranger without talking anything? Like that here the two persons, they are walking like strangers. No talking, no word. Father not talking anything, son also no. Son, lot of thoughts are there in his mind. What my father is thinking about me. Because I am 26 years old and I am making my father who is 60 years old to carry my trunk. What he will think about me? What's going on in his mind about me? And what is all the villages, this total world will think about me? The thoughts are there. So many times he thought to say sorry to his father. But his white collar job, which he is doing, it came in between his thought and means to say the sorry and his thought. And it stopped him to say sorry to his father. And he convinced himself that, yes, if I carry that trunk, my villagers will laugh. And first of all, my father, he won't allow me to carry that trunk. Because I stayed in the hostel from childhood onwards. Because it belongs to a small village, there must be no education, proper education not there. Because of that, his parents, they sent him to the hostel. He stayed in the hostel, and as the child staying in the hostel, he didn't do any labor, physical labor. Because hostel, no more work to carry loads, that work not there. And father, he worked in the field. And his duty that he can carry the loads, heavy loads. And he is habituated, but I didn't habituate. So, let the father must be carrying. And I am a white collar job holder. I am doing a government job. Then how I can carry the trunk? It's correct. My father, he is carrying the trunk. That was a convenience. He convinced himself. And they took breakfast in the middle. They stopped 2 more times, but there is no talk between them. Finally, they reached to Dirag. And still there was a time, because the bus did not reach the Dirag. It wanted to come from Tawang. Tawang is another place. From there to here the bus wanted to come. Still they have some of the time. At the time, they went into the nearby hotel. They sat face to face. When he saw the sweating face of the father, he felt sorry inside, but Actually, father, he solved his problem and he has the right to take the sorry from his child, but this child did not say any sorry to him. He turned inside, but he not said any sorry to that father. And the child ordered 2 cups of tea to the waiter. Waiter brought 2 cups of tea. Then they are going to take first sip. He is going to take, the young man is going to take first sip. At the time, father's words came out. He asked, "Do you have any old pair of shoe?" Then son said, "Why? Why you need, father?" Then the father said, "The road was uneven. I can't walk on that road because that road it is hurting my feet." At that time, because son, up to that time, he never walked on that uneven road without a shoe, barefoot. He never walked barefoot on that uneven road because he don't know the pain of that road. But father, he walked. He know the pain of that road. Then at the time he saw the father's feet. They became young, means they became very big in size, very hard, cracks are there. He felt very sorry towards his father first time because he not recognized his father's hard work. Then he opened his wallet and then some of the money is there. 36 rupees something it is there. You read in the textbook it should be there. And he counted that and he took out 12 rupees which are suitable for the new pair of shoe. Then he offered that father 12 rupees and he suggested that purchase new pair of shoe. But father no, is going to the city and there must be expenditure. That expenditure is very hard to his child to bear. So father he rejected. And when son tried to convince the father, father not convinced. Just he asked, "If you have old pair of shoe, then you give me. Otherwise, no need." Then at the time, he opened the trunk. In the trunk, canvas shoes there. That canvas shoe he took, and then his old pair of shoe he gave to his father, and he wear canvas shoe. And the journey again, the bus came. And when the shoe gave to father, at the time father he said one more word. "Take care and write to us." That the words the father said again. Bus came. He boarded the bus. Father he stood down. And the bus started. The journey started. Father is going to say something, but bus already started. The journey started in two opposite directions. One direction is 26 years old son is traveling in luxurious bus, luxurious seat without any hard work. Smooth life is traveling, and the next opposite direction a 60 years old father who struggled for his son still is struggling, and he walked back on the uneven road. While traveling in the bus, he saw the road. First time he recognized that road was uneven. It was full of pebbles. This is the story, the journey. How the journey started between the father and the son. So be careful that parents are us to develop us and they dream that our success. They dream that their child, they should want to settle in a good position in his life, but they never enemies for us. They are the friends to us. So make a good relationship between the parent and you, and stay home, stay safe.